Underneath the sun, we shine so bright.
Yeah, you can't buy a trailer for that. This is a full body paint. You don't see
And
yourself going down the road.
The weight is nice too.
Yeah, half ton.
That's what I have. F-150 here.
Very few here that are really made for that. Most of them are way over 85.
Yeah. 2400RE Cougar Sport. New 2026 Keystone. Alright. Oh, look at these steps. They're different. Nice. Let's check out this pass through. Excuse me, sir. Nice pass through. Big. Of course, they have the door over here like they always do. Road armor, lipper. We'll check out the side. This is very nice. Ooh, the slide out. Everything's black. The Cougar Sport Platinum. And this is where the propane goes. We have the twisty tie because I think there's a law that you can't lock it. You have to have access. You can lock the propane inside, but you can't lock the door. They can still have slam latches. Some do that don't have locks on it. Frameless windows. Very nice. Let me get a backup view. Sorry. Excuse me. Oh, sorry. Sorry about that. We got these nice lights right here too, and I like it all black, and they have a light up here too. It's very nice. And of course, we have Keystone. This is the one we were looking for, Keystone type trailer. Very scanned in.
Rounded up on money.
Thank you. You're welcome. Ooh. Let me get by it. Thank you. Yeah. I like they have a secret door. Well, I don't want to say secret. Yeah, I don't want to say secret, but yeah. And then you can get into it from the outside too. That's a good place to put the trash can. That is a lot of storage.
You can put your trash can.
Wait a minute. Let me do a wide angle view. Yeah, that's nice.
Right there.
Huh?
I think, yeah, trash can. Yeah.
Yeah, plenty of room for a trash can. And
we were trying to figure out what that was.
that's like a table.
Yeah, no, but it's like, well, we have a table here.
It's like a working table. You lift it up, you can. We didn't like this before, but at least it's not just. The thing is, at least it's not just nothing. You know what I'm saying? It's something. They give you a ledge and they give you something you can work on.
I'd just rather have a coffee bar.
I know, me too.
That's the number one feature, coffee bar.
Yeah. I need a place for my Keurig now. Typical sofa.
Oh, is that the pantry then? I know, right? I changed that out.
Yeah, I would too.
Yeah, this is the 2400. That's the 2100.
You got some counter space here, though. Nice.
Yeah, it is.
This only opens up one way, which is okay for me. I don't care about that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you wouldn't need it, so.
Yeah, it's just one of those added features that people like. But you really don't need a lot of space down there. I like this, all three drawers. I like that. Nice. Trash can. I like the black thing.
You can't use it. Well, I think that's what this is for.
Oh, they have it right.
They have
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
They switched the door over there. And then you couldn't get to the bedroom. Walk somewhere. But you'll see here that
They have a lot of storage. You can't say there's no storage up here.
you have to
Microwave, and a typical oven storage. But I opened that up. Yeah, coffee bar. You can put these hooks here.
You're really prepared there, yeah, with your. No, I like this too for when you come in for the shoes and stuff. They saw the drawers here. See what buttons they should have on our.
Oh, I got more drawers here. Nice.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get up the steps. Oop, little handle here. Can you open up a couple of those doors?
I just did.
Yeah. Oh, I'm on the wrong camera. Sorry, babe. That's good. They're all the same, right? Yeah, that's it. Yeah. That's good.
That's nice.
Yeah, a little trash can here. Or one right here, too. Yeah, plenty of room there.
Ooh,
That's the shower.
nice.
Yeah, it is nice. And then the shower looks perfect.
Yeah, that looks good.
Definitely a one-person bathroom, but that's fine.
Well, so you need.
Oops, it's side. Look what. I'm gonna just get the shower real quick.
Bedroom.
That's the shower head that we had by separate.
Oh, this is cute.
Yes, nice. It has a step, but at least you can go all the way through right here. It has a step right there. But it's fine, you can go all the way through.
Oh, okay.
Remember the other ones had a.
That big thing.
Yeah.
I like
That
this
Yeah, me
because
too.
it has extra.
You have a little cubby hole, and then you have your USB-C's, outlets, USB-C.
Oh, this is.
This could be a hanging closet, but I don't
Here's a
think.
hanging
No.
closet right here.
Oh, okay. This is not a hanging. This is just to put stuff there.
You got. We have this,
This holds
here
up.
is just enough for us.
You can put
Oh,
your shit.
look.
You can put all your
Yeah.
junk down there.
Shoot,
And I don't mind floor vents. I really don't.
nice. Yeah. It doesn't
Can you open up that?
This.
Yeah. Is it prep for? No. That's cool. Yeah, we don't.
Yeah. Which one was it
I don't
that we had?
Yeah. Oh, I did so many. I have no idea. I don't like the shades. They have these accordion shades. I don't like those. Look, they're hard to get up and hard to get down. Yeah, I don't like it.
Oh, it has a thing.
No, that's not it. You have to pull it down and pull it up. You'll break that. I know you would. And I wish they had reading lights for
Oh, they don't have
both.
any.
They have one light up there, but and it's the cheap lights, and one I changed. And then I would put a max fan in here. That's just me. And this is where
I
your
can feel
TV.
the air.
This is where your TV goes. Yeah, you
Is
got
there
it
an
ducted.
air conditioner up here?
No, it's ducted in here.
Oh, it feels
This
good.
one, yeah, it works.
Yeah.
This one, it's. I have to say that this fifth wheel is one of the nicest ones that I've seen.
It's
That
nice and
that fits.
small. Yeah.
That fits us.
Oh, no, that light came on by itself.
Yeah. Motion sensor. I don't know if it's dimmable. I don't think so.
No.
Put the bathroom again in case I missed anything. They got floor vents. I don't mind that at all. For the shower. They don't have too much storage for, so we're gonna have to use something over here for the towels. I wish there was a door there that led to the other. Some do. Because it's not bad, but it doesn't fit me totally though. There's a couple of things I would change on it. You getting out, babe?
I'll just say up front that we're not buying today. You don't gotta tell me. I'm
I don't
not
like it either.
I'm not even a salesperson.
You want to go all the way down here to the end? You'll see them.
But it's nice. All right, grab onto this thing. Yeah, but it's nice. I like it. It just it doesn't fit. Let's go to the other Cougar. Plus, I like the, that's the other side of that TV base.
I'll always save you. So here's
I hope you loved the video.
never let go.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, The Gonzo Book. And as always, we'll see you on the other side.